Hello everyone. In our previous some lecture we discussed about the atomic mass, relative atomic mass, molecular mass, molar mass, gram atomic mass and molar mass and gram molecular mass. And after it we are reaching mole concept. Now we are reaching mole concept. In mole concept, first we know that what is the mole, and we know that mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. Amount of substance. Is that clear? Mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. And if we are talking about in general word, then what is the mole and what is the mole represent? We know that it is the amount of substance that has many species. What is the mean by species? Species means everything. It may be atom, molecule, element, ion, proton, neutron, electron, etc. Species means everything. It is amount of substance that has many species as atoms present in 12 gram carbon of C12. This is the actual definition of mole. If anybody asks what is the mole, then we say it is the SI unit of amount of substance. And actually what is the concept of mole and what is the representation, or we can say the mole क्या represent करती है? Then we say it is the amount of substance that has as many species as atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12. It is an amount of species that has as many species as atoms present in 12 gram carbon of carbon 12. It means we can say, if we ask what is the number of particles in we know that the number of one mole of every substance represent the 6.02 into 10 to power 23. Mole is amount of substance that has as many species as atoms present in 12 gram of carbon. It means it is also the atoms of कार्बन 12. मतलब मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूं कि 1 मोल ये है, और मैं ऐसा भी कह सकता हूं कि एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन कार्बन 12 है. एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12. This is also equal to the 1 mole. Let's we have a formula. हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, एक बार एक फॉर्मूले को कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. वी नो दैट मोल इज इक्वल टू मास इन ग्राम डिवाइड बाई मोलर मास. व्हाट इज द मीन बाई 12 ग्राम कार्बन? व्हाट इज द मीन बाई 12 ग्राम कार्बन? It means 1 mole is equal to 12 gram. Clear? So we can, if we put the 1 mass in gram, it is the 12 and it is the molar mass of carbon. It is the 12 gram per mole and it is the gram. This gram to gram cancel and it gives the 1 mole. It gives the 1 mole. So we can say 1 mole is equal to 12 ग्राम कार्बन. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड 1 मोल में कितने पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट होंगे? 1 मोल हैज द 6.02 into 10 to power 23 पार्टिकल. और वी कैन से दैट 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 ग्राम कार्बन ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट द 1 मोल, क्लियर, विच ऑलरेडी रिटन एज वी नो दैट। मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि कार्बन के यदि 12 ग्राम है तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है, 1 मोल ही होता है। कितना मोल होता है उसका, 12 ग्राम कार्बन मीन्स 1 मोल। Here the question is arises why the 1 mole consider as a 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particle, or we can say why the 12 gram carbon or 1 mole carbon has 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atoms। हम यहाँ ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 1 मोल में इतने ही पार्टिकल क्यों लिए गए हैं। चलो, अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन ये कहा गया कि 12 ग्राम कार्बन में इतने पार्टिकल होते हैं एंड ऑल्सो मीन बाय द 12 ग्राम कार्बन इज द 1 मोल। सो वी वांट टू नो व्हाई द 1 मोल टेकन एज ए 6.02 into 10 to power 23, व्हाई द 12 ग्राम कार्बन ऑफ कार्बन 12 has the 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particle, or we can say why the 1 mole of carbon 12 has the 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particles। Is that clear? Why 1 mole oblique 12 ग्राम of carbon 12 has 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atoms। Is that clear? And we also know that about it why 1 mole taken as 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particles। Is that clear? This is the particles which are, this is the particles, or we can say this is the atoms which present in 12 gram of carbon 12, and 12 gram of carbon 12 is also represent the 1 mole, since the mass of 1 carbon atom of C12 is equal to 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram। Clear? By the spectroscopic method we find out the mass of 1 carbon atom। So I can say 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram of carbon 12 has 1 atom। In above statement I change the above statement, the mass of 1 carbon atom this, so we can say 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram of carbon 12 has 1 atom। Is that clear? Then 1 gram of carbon 12 has 1 upon 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram। Is that clear? Then आप ये कितने में कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, 12 ग्राम कार्बन में, और 12 ग्राम कार्बन का मतलब क्या होता है, 1 मोल ही होता है। देन आई कैन टेक 12 ग्राम ऑफ C12 हैज इज इक्वल टू 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram multiply with 12 gram, and this gives the 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atoms। Is that clear? This is 1 atom, this is 1 atom, so we get 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atom। This is the way by which you can show that, you can derive the why the 1 mole of every species taken in 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particles, because 12 gram carbon means 1 mole, or according to our definition mole is an amount of substance that has as many species as atoms present in 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12। तो 12 ग्राम कार्बन में इतने एटम प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और इतने ही एटम किसी भी स्पीसीज के एक मोल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं। और आपने यहाँ से क्या प्रूव किया है कि 1 मोल, किसी के भी 1 मोल के अंदर इतना पार्टिकल होता है। वाई द 1 मोल, और वी कैन से द अवोगैड्रो नंबर टेकन एज 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atoms. Is that clear? And now we move to कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट। अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहां से मोल कैलकुलेट करेंगे। कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मोल, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मोल। कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मोल इज द 3 टाइप। हियर वी कंसिडर ओनली द फर्स्ट टाइप। तो टाइप फर्स्ट says that we can calculate the mole and given mass in gram divided by molar mass which is in gram per mole. Clear? This gram to gram cancel and we get the answer, and mole goes to upside, then you convert it the power +1, then it is the mole. So we can say it is the n, this is the mass, and this is the molar mass. It gives the result of mole. This is our first type. Calculation of mole are the 3 type, in which the first type by using the mass which is given in gram. ये मोल कॉन्सेप्ट मतलब किसी के मोल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए अपना क्या है, टाइप फर्स्ट है। कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, n इज इक्वल टू W/m से। ये क्या है आपके पास, मास इन गिवन ग्राम, और गिवन मास भी कैन से, और ये क्या है, मोलर मास। क्लियर? सो वी सोल्व द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल। This is our questions about the mole, and we know that formula of mole is equal to n W upon molar mass. On the basis of this formula we can calculate it is the calculation of type first. There are different type of question. Find number of moles in following. Our first question is 12 gram H2. 12 gram H2. We know that we know that n is equal to W upon n. Mass in given in gram is the 12 gram, and it is the H2, and the mass of hydrogen is 1, and for 2 it is the 2 gram per mole. 2 gram to gram cancel, it gives the 6 mole. Is that clear? Second is the 2 gram hydrogen. Second is the 2 gram hydrogen. It is the hydrogen atom and it is the hydrogen molecule. It means there are the 2 hydrogens, so we add the 1 plus 1, and it is the single hydrogen. Then n is equal to W upon m is equal to, it is mass, given mass is the 2 gram, it is the 2 gram, and it is the hydrogen atom, so it is the 1 gram per mole. Clear? Gram to gram cancel, and our answer is the 2 mole. Is that clear? And we move in the third question. Our third question is the 4 gram of helium. 4 gram of helium. We know that mass of helium is the 4 gram, molar mass of helium is the 4 gram per mole. So n is equal to W upon m. What is the amount of W? It is the 4 gram, and mass of helium also the 4 gram per mole. Gram to gram cancel, it means we have only 1 mole in this equation. and fourth is the 180 gram of urea, and fourth is the 180 gram of urea. We know that the formula of urea is the NH2C double bond O NH2. What is the molar mass of urea? 2 plus 2 4 hydrogen, तो 4 into 1 plus 2 nitrogen, तो 2 into 14 plus 1 carbon 12 है, plus 1 oxygen is the 16, it gives the 60 gram per mole. Is that clear? Then our concept is the N is equal to W upon M. W mass in given of urea is the 180 gram, and it is the 60 gram per mole. Gram to gram cancel, it gives the 3 mole. It means 180 gram of urea gives the 3 mole. And our fifth question is the 13.2 gram of CO2. We know that N is equal to W upon M. What is the amount in mass in gram? It is the 13.2. And what is the mass of molar mass of CO2? 12 for carbon and 2 multiply with 16, it gives the 44 gram per mole. Clear? Then put the 44 gram per mole. It is a gram, gram to gram cancel, and it is change this point. It is the 132 divided by 440, cancel out by 2. So we can say it is the 66, and it is the 220, again cancel by 2, it is the 33, it is the 110, or we can say it is the 0.3 mole. Is that clear? And our last question is 1.6 kilogram of SO2. Our next question is 1.6 kilogram of SO2. Number of moles is equal to W ग्राम के अंदर and molar mass ग्राम per mole. Is that clear? It is given in kg, and change the kg into gram. It means it is the 1.6 into 10 to power 3 divided by, it is the amount of gram. And SO2, we know that about SO2, sulfur has 32, and this is the oxygen. 16 multiplied 2, it gives the 64. Is that clear? It is the 1.6 divided by 64. You can change this by this, so it is the 16640 and 123 ग्राम, एंड ये क्या है आपके पास? ग्राम पर मोल, ग्राम पर मोल. इज दैट क्लियर? ग्राम टू ग्राम कैंसिल आउट, 1 to 1 कैंसिल आउट, 16 to कितना हो गया ये 4, एंड इट गिव्स द 25 मोल. इज दैट क्लियर? This is the simple question about on the basis of the type first, by which we calculate the number of moles by using the given mass in gram and molar mass, which already studied about as. Clear? This is the type first. From type first we also calculate the mass. On the basis of type first, we can also find the mass. It is only the mass, it means we are talking about only in gram quantity. Find mass of following, which is the 4 mole of NH3, 0.25 mole of helium, 5 millimole of CO2 and 20 mole of O3 in a kg. Is that clear? Let's see. We know that N is equal to W upon M. It is the mass in gram and it is the molar mass. How can you calculate the mass? By multiply the number of mole with molar mass. So we can say W is the number of mole multiply with molar mass. Our first question is 4 mole of NH3. 4 mole of NH3. We know that we want to calculate here the फाइंड मास. इट मीन्स आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? W कैलकुलेट करना है. देन दिस इज आवर फॉर्मूला. W इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स एंड मोलर मास. मोलर मास ऑफ NH3 14 plus 3 is equal to 70 gram per mole. Is that clear? Number of moles, it is the 4 mole. It is the 4 mole. And what is the molar mass of NH3? It is the 17 gram per mole. Mole to mole cancel. And it is the 68 gram. Is that clear? And our second question is the 0.25 mole of helium. We know that W is equal to N into M. Number of moles in question is the 0.25. 0.25. It is the mole and mass of helium is the 4 gram per mole. Per mole to mole cancel and it gives the 1 gram. And it gives the 1 gram. Is that clear? That is our second question. If next is the 5 millimole of CO2. Third question is the 5 millimole of CO2. Convert the milli in mole. Clear? Or we know that we want to convert into the and we find out the answer in gram. So we take it is the 5 milli. At place of milli we can write the 10 to power minus 3 which is learned in our unit conversion. And we know that W is equal to N into M. What is the mole? It is the 5 millimole into molar mass of CO2 which is the 44 gram per mole. Mole to mole cancel. And we know that it is the 5 milli and 5 our answer is the 5 milligram. Our answer is the 5 milligram and we convert the milligram into gram by using the 10 to power minus 3 and it gives the 220 milligram. But we want to know the answer in gram, therefore we can say 220 into 10 to power minus 3 gram and our answer is the 0.220 gram. Is that clear? This is the our question. When milliword is used in our mole, then it means our answer in the milligram. Then convert the milli into gram by using the 10 to power minus 3. This is our answer 0.220. Is that clear? And our last question is the 20 mole of ozone O3. And fourth question is the 20 मोल ऑफ O3 और आपको जो मास कैलकुलेट करना है वो किस में बताना है? यहाँ किलोग्राम के अंदर बताना है. क्लियर? वी नो दैट W इज इक्वल टू N इंटू M. व्हाट इज द N? इट इज द 20 मोल. एंड व्हाट इज द मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? 16 multiply 3. इट इज द 48 ग्राम per mole. This mole to mole cancel and our answer is the 960 gram. But examiner want the answer in kilogram. then divide by 1000, then divide by 1000, it convert into milligram, it give the 0.96 kilogram. Is that clear? That is the our first type of calculation of mole. We solve the different type of question in which we calculate the number of mole, and also by using this formula we can calculate the mass of by given the number of moles. In our next lecture we discuss about the type second of mole concept. Thank you and have a nice day.